Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. So I posted something on my status on WhatsApp and I said I was going to do a video about it. So here's the news. Cyberattack hits world's largest meat supplier. So I'll just read a bit about the article. So it might be days before production resumes after an organized cybersecurity attack affected IT systems in North America and Australia, officials said. I'm not gonna walk you guys through all what they've said here because I think it's one big lie. But let me give you my thoughts about this. Um, I think it's all a big plan, right? So if we have this kind of issues and where there's going to be shortage in supply of meat, that means there needs to be an alternative for meat, and there's an alternative for meat, and it's called impossible meat. So what is impossible meat? Impossible food rather. So we also have impossible meat, impossible burger. So these are foods or meats. Okay, impossible burger is made from simple plant-based ingredients. So in the future, we're going to be encouraged to eat meats that are made from plants. So this is the article right here. Synthetic meat investor Bill Gates calls for rich countries to shift entirely to synthetic meat. Alright, so by the time we have shortage in supply of real meat, guess who is going to be saving the day? Bill Gates and his synthetic meat. So how does this link up with cryptocurrency? It's very easy. Let's check out this article right here. Yes, hope it's fine. So for you to have synthetic meat, that's meat made from plants, you need to have huge farmland, and guess the guy that has the biggest farmland in the United States? Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the biggest private owner of farmland in the United States, and so he has the capacity to provide synthetic meat when these guys are down. So how does this also link to cryptocurrency? So if you've been watching the channel for a long time, you should have heard about ID 2020. So ID 2020 is a plan to give the entire global population a digital ID and also a digital wallet. Right, so as you can see right here, we need to get digital ID right. So that's what they say. So scrolling down, since 2016, ID 2020 has advocated for ethical privacy protecting approaches to digital ID. For the 1 in 7, I don't want to read the whole thing, but there's a part I'm looking for. Blah 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 blah. So we are businesses, non-profits, governments, blah 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 blah. But there's a part on this website that talks about finances and or. Yeah, this is it. But technology is evolving at a blinding pace, and many of the transactions that require identification are today being conducted digitally, from e-passports to digital wallets. You see, digital wallets, online banking to social media accounts. These new forms of digital ID. So all these things mentioned above are what? New forms of digital ID. Right? It covers both finances. They need to stay connected, right? And how will this be done? Through ID 2020. Now guess the company that is behind ID 2020 also. Microsoft, Gavi, Adventures. All these companies are owned by who? Bill Gates. So how does this all link up? Well, that is why Bill Gates, or should I say Microsoft, Bill Gates had to file a patent uh, in which the human body will be able to mine cryptocurrency. And there's something fishy about this whole patent, and that is the fact that the patent number has 666. I've said a lot of things about this in our previous videos, and you can see the Microsoft owns the patent, And why does it all link up to 666 2020? This is 2020 666, and then we have ID 2020. You see? Anyways, according to the plan, the human body will be able to mine cryptocurrency, using the activity of the brain and all of that. So I think this is the general plan, right, to make the human body, turn to partly human, partly robot, where your body will be able to mine cryptocurrency. And when your body mines cryptocurrency, your body will be able to hold a digital ID, and also you'll be able to pay for goods and services using the cryptocurrency mined from your body, right, to pay for what's impossible foods. And I'm thinking when this happens that the guys behind all this are going to make impossible foods cheaper for those who have ID 2020. You see, so if you're able to mine this cryptocurrency with your body, you mine the cryptocurrency with your body, and you have the digital ID, you'll be able to buy foods. You'll be able to buy the synthetic food at a cheaper price. That's what I think is going to be the plan. Anyways, so how can you save yourself from all this trash? Invest into Bitcoin, invest into Ethereum, invest into cryptocurrencies that these guys don't have direct power over. Why? Because they're trying to bring out their own cryptocurrency, as seen here. Now, most especially, invest into private cryptocurrencies, and I've done videos about that before. All right, so in summary, there's a plan to bring a one world order where the whole entire global population will have a single digital ID, and every person on earth will turn to a mobile or a living wallet, and your body will be able to mine cryptocurrencies, and the cryptocurrencies your body will be able to mine will help you in getting discounts in the future of foods that these guys are bringing out. So in order for you to have your own money and run away from the one world system, you need to go into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other privacy coins. Alright guys, tell me what you think about these events happening and your ideas too.